Hello friends, in this video we will know about ASA card. Okay, so ASA card is ASA card support for 2G technology. Okay, if we need more than 12 TRX, okay, then we are installing ASA card on site and we are syncing with ASMA. Okay, so let's see full video, and if you are new then please subscribe my channel. So guys, we can see here ASA module is required to increase TRS configuration on site if we need more than 12 TRS configuration on site. So as I told, if we need more than 12 TRS configuration on site, then we need ASA card to install on site. Okay, and below 12 TRX, I mean not below, till 12 TRX we can take from ASMA. Okay, if we have only 12 TRX, then we can use ESMA only. We cannot install ESA card, and we don't need on site. Okay. If more than 12 TRX configuration on site, I mean 13, 14, 15, okay, till 24, then we have to install ESA card, and we can see, and we have to also sync with ESMA. Okay. So let's see. Here you can see also here ESA module having 6 power cable and 12 DTRX port to connect 12 DTRX module. Okay, so 12 DTRX module means 24 TRX. Okay, so we can make from ESA card 24 TRX configuration on site. Okay, D means dual TRX. Okay, so dual TRX means we have 12, so 12 DTRX means 24 TRX configuration. So I mean would be on site. Okay, so we can see here, I mark here. So see, in this box we can see this is our power slot. Okay, so we can take power from here and to give DTRX. So maximum we can give from here only 6 DTRX. Okay, and rest 6 DTRX we can take power from ESMA card. Okay, so please make sure that and don't confuse, because we can see here power 1/7 here. Okay, so it starting 7 to 12. Okay, but we can here you can take only 6 power to give I mean DTRX, I mean to connect 6 DTRX, but remaining DTRX you have to give power from ESMA. Okay, so I will tell later in this video. Okay, and see, we have also 12 bus port to connect DTRX. Okay, yeah, we have 12 bus interface. Okay, so here we have to connect bus cable. Okay, so we can connect maximum to 12 DTRX. Okay, so so here, okay, so we are connecting from here 12 DTRX module. Okay, so we don't need to connect any bus cable to TRX from ESMA. I mean to say that in ESMA we cannot use any DTRX to connect, I mean bus cable. Okay, we have to use all configuration from ESA card. We cannot use from ESMA. We need to sync only. We have to use sync cable, I mean bus cable, to sync ESMA to ESA card. Okay, so don't confuse. Okay, because we have only 12, I mean 12 slot to give 12 DTRX power. Okay, so already we have here 12 bus port, and we can connect 12 DTRX from here using bus cable. Okay, so don't confuse. So we have 6 power supply port and 12 bus interface, and also we need to give power to ESA card from rectifier or DCDB. So you need to connect here plus and minus power cable. Please make sure that you need to check first where you need to connect plus cable and minus cable, and use DC power. And here ESA card has also sync port, so here we have to connect bus cable from ESMA, and in ESMA we have to use bus number 6. Okay, so we will use in ESMA bus number 6, and we have to connect on sync port. Okay, using bus cable. Okay guys, now we will see here. So this is our ESA card. You can see in front side and back side you can see. So ESA card has also fan. We are using fan cooling purpose. Okay, and this is our ESMA card. Are here, for example, you can see here. This is our diplexer and DTRX and TRX and diplexer. You can see here. Okay. So for this TRX configuration, if we need, here you can see how many is there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so here is only 5 is there. So okay, for example, I attach this picture in this video. Okay, so maximum our ESMA can handle only 6 TRX on site. 6 DTRX. Okay, you can see here how many port is there in ESMA. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so ESMA can handle only 6 DTRX. Okay, if we need more than 6 DTRX, 7, 8, 9, then we need to install this card on site, and we need to sync with from here to on bus, and we need to note we cannot use bus cable in this port after connecting to ESA card from ESMA. Okay, we can use only power slot to give power to DTRX. Okay, so please don't confuse. Okay, so how we can connect? See, ESA has already sync port, and in ESMA we will use bus number 6, and here we will use bus cable to connect from ESMA to ESA. Okay, so this for this scenario, and this type installation you need to do on site if need more than 12 TRX 12 DTRX configuration on site. So guys, I think this video also will help you, okay, to understand this configuration and for interview purpose also. So okay guys, thank you. We will meet in next video. So bye bye.